Nutrition. Nutrition is a very trendy topic lately. Everyone is interested about nutrition. Everyone wants to follow a specific diet. When this is the summer, everyone wants to have this summer body. Everyone has an interest on nutrition, but nobody really knows about how to use basically the science of nutrition for their benefit, for their health and body in general. So nutrition, basically this is the study of nutrients, the nutrients that are in each food, and how these nutrients will interact with the different organs that are in your body, how it will impact your metabolism. And so basically these nutrients will have a different impact on you, and depending on the qualitative type of nutrient or not that you will eat, it will have an impact on your health or not. Okay, so here in this video, this is part of the long format video, which is what is nutrition and why does it matter. This is a small section where we go back on the precise part, what is exactly nutrition. So we go through the scientific definition of what is nutrition, and I'm letting you see this part.
Food.
So what is nutrition and why it is so important? In definition, in a simple way, nutrition is the science of how food can affect your body function, your body immune system, and your body maintenance. Okay, so in this video we are going to deep dive into this topic of how nutrition, why nutrition is so important, and exactly what is nutrition. So we will see, for example, the scientific definition of nutrition. We will see some example of healthy diet. We will see the relationship or the relation between the nutrition and for example, the risk of appearance or not of different chronic disease. So, and we will see way more than that. So we will go through different chapter, and we see about nutrition and why it is so important and why it matters. So basically, nutrition, it's not just about your waist line, it's not just about your weight, it's not just about your physique, but it's also related for your energy, your body function, your immune system, and also the prevention or at least the decrease of risk of chronic disease apparition. So nutrition is also important for that. So by the end of this video, you will be able to understand how nutrition affects every part of you and not just your waistline. Okay, so welcome to this new channel. We are new here. This channel is about nutrition, healthy nutrition, and it's here to help you to be able to eat healthy in order to improve your health life in a long term. So this new channel is about how to eat healthy, and feel free to subscribe. We are new here. Feel free to support us. Okay, so now we're going to deep dive into the details of what is nutrition. So now we are going to see in depth the scientific definition of what is nutrition. So I have recorded two scientific sources, websites that explain in a scientific way what is nutrition. Okay, so according to the first source, Britannica, nutrition is the process where living things take in food to help them grow, to stay healthy and reproduce. Food gives them energy for things like moving, using nutrients, and building cells. It also provides the material to build the part of cells. There are 6 main kinds of nutrients in food. So we have the carbohydrates, fat, protein, vitamins, mineral, and water. The first 3, also called macronutrients, what the body uses to build and maintain tissue and to fuel all the activities that keep us alive. Proteins are key for building and repairing tissue, and they are in every cell. Vitamins and minerals or micronutrients help the body to process run smoothly. So here you can see it's related to what I say in the introduction. The role of nutrition is to help your body to be able to function in a correct way. So here we have a second source. There is a different explanation about nutrition. So This website is more related to, for example, the nurses, where they learn about nutrition. So nutrition is the intake of food to meet the need of the body. Accordingly, nutrients are substances found in body and beverage that are essential for survival. Nurses must understand the component of nutrition on bodily function to provide effective nursing care. So several food-related concepts are fundamental to understand how nutrition affects the body. They comprise of micronutrients and micronutrients. Macronutrients are water and energy yield nutrients like carbohydrates, fat, and protein, needed in a large amount by the body, while micronutrients include vitamins, minerals. So food is the building blocks of the diet, which describe the quantity and the quality of food and drink consumed. So it's not just about food, it's also about the quality of food that you consume in terms of nutrition. Okay? So here what we need to remember is that nutrition is about the qualitative food that you consume, but it's also the fact that every food or the food that you consume need to recall the micro and the macro nutrients, which are what they said in the article. Carbohydrate, protein, and fat as macronutrient, and also water and vitamins and minerals. So in terms of nutrition, we need to understand so that the three key points to remember is that nutrition is about assimilation of food for growth, maintenance, and reproduction, but also nutrients versus diet, because we have the difference between the macronutrients and the micronutrients, and the science behind digestion and nutrient use. It's about calorie and energy units. So basically, the nutrients in food fuel every cells in your body and are essential for every growth and metabolic reaction. Well, I hope you learned something in this video. So this part about the scientific way of understanding nutrition was very useful for you. So if you want to know more, or if you want to see the full version of this video, you can see in my channel. There is the full version, which is what is nutrition and why does it matter. In the next part of the video, we will have why nutrition is so important for your daily life. Feel free to subscribe to the channel, and I see you in the next part of the video. Bye.